Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In the following video I did a challenge to make a Python code that will flip the coin if the user chooses to flip it. This video is gonna be one more time lapse of this coding challenge, and I'm just a beginner with Python and I'm learning as I go. If you are a beginner like me, enjoy the process and let's get into it. Okay, the code is working, and this is my second time recording this because of issues with audio and video during the recording. So the code is working completely. So when you type yes, you want to flip the coin, you're gonna get run, and you're gonna say and things. And then do you want time for yes? Continue. Again, or and then no to stop. So let's again. Yes, yes, it's gonna stop. Okay. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.